automatically add meeting notes to every event you create in Google Calendar. Let's jump into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now, a big announcement from Google Workspace, we can now automatically add meeting notes into our calendar events. Now, this is making use of something called templates. Now, Google Docs is rolling out these templates, and it will make it super easy for you to add those meeting notes to your calendar. As you can see here from the information shared by the Google Workspace update blog, an additional button will be added to your event creation menu. Clicking on that automatically creates a new file, as well as shares that file with the meeting organizers. Now, you can also create these meeting notes from within Google Docs. So let's jump into our Google Documents. I'm looking at my calendar right here, and let's say that I want to add some meeting notes to the meeting with year 3 that is taking place tomorrow. Well, I can create a brand new document. So I'm going to type @ and then this pulls up these chips that I can use. You can see the first template to roll out is the meeting notes. When I click on that, it's automatically pulling in all my meetings from my calendar. So where do you want to use these meeting notes? Well, I want to create meeting notes for my meeting with year 3. So I'm going to select that one. I click on it, and it automatically pre-fills everything I need for the meeting notes. Here you can see it uses those interactive chips. So here we can see the date that can be changed, or I can book that. It's the meeting with year 3. We have that link. We have those attendees that have been invited, and it automatically fills it out with some action items and notes. So this in itself is incredibly useful. Now, once you've filled out the additional information you want to add, on the right hand side you will see that it automatically prompts you to share these meeting notes. So we're going to click on Share and Attach. This automatically shares it with the attendees, and it also gives editing rights to that person who is there as an attendee. We're going to click on Share. It's changing those document permissions, and it has now been attached to my meeting event. So here, when we now go back to our calendar, let's go to that meeting with year 3. We're going to click on that, and you can see that it automatically attaches those meeting notes to this event. So an incredibly useful update to Google Calendar as well as Google Docs, templates that automatically create meeting notes and are linked to your calendar events. Now, if you want to find out even more tips and tricks for teachers using Google Calendar, click on this video right now. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.